Time now for your forewarned weather with Cedric Haynes.
All right, happy Tuesday, Utah. Let's talk about these clouds out there across the northern half of the state. Mostly dry, but those clouds are on the increase. Temperature about 75 degrees outside the studios. Now, yesterday afternoon, look at the folks dodging the raindrops. Man, it's been a long time since we've been able to say that. This is in the Kanab area around 4:45 yesterday afternoon. Thanks to Mark for sharing this. This is from the Cedar City area. You can see some of those heavier tropical downpours making their way through in the afternoon hours with some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms we told you about. But we also told you yesterday we would likely see an increase in the rain, both in the coverage and intensity across the state as we went throughout our Tuesday. And sure enough, that looks to be the case out there for us as we go throughout this morning. A live view from St. George. Look at the shine showing up on the pavement. Yeah, we had some wet pavement out there at Dixie Middle School because we've had some showers out there. Now notice, again, just a couple of sprinkles across the northern half of the state this morning, but south of I-70, that's where we had more widespread shower activity. In fact, we've had some pockets of some heavier rainfall across portions of Washington and Iron counties this morning, but that's kind of fading out, but still some scattered showers here, pretty widespread actually here from Moab over towards Hanksville, Escalante, and Cedar City. Though windshield wipers are definitely going in this area. Now with the daytime heating today and more of that moisture building in, we expect that coverage to expand across the rest of the state as we get into the afternoon hours here. We're also going to see an area of low pressure getting closer across the north, and that'll help to kind of pull up that moisture and that flow to really help enhance that chance of showers and storms. So Futurecast showing us here we've got those pockets of heavy downpours, especially I-70 and Point South this morning for your morning commute. By lunchtime, we're going to see that moisture expanding to the north along the I-70 corridor. So Price, Green River, Moab over towards Richfield, Beaver gets in on the action, and then the Wasatch Front and right on up into southwest Wyoming as we get into the afternoon and evening hours. And some of these pockets will be locally heavy and kind of stay over the area. This, in fact, could continue to fester overnight into early on Wednesday as well. And then we could see off and on showers and storms Wednesday into Thursday across the northern half of the state. So the bottom line, an additional quarter to up to an inch of rainfall on average is likely. Isolated flash flooding is possible across the entire state today, but notice the elevated area here across northern Utah. That's where we're going to be watching for this afternoon, and that threat continues into tomorrow as well. If I had some more good news for you, look at the temperatures. At or below average until we get to the weekend here along the Wasatch Front. Same story expected for our friends in St. George as well. Look at this high in St. George, 84. Yeah, that's it. With scattered showers and storms likely, highs back into the 90s as we start to dry things out. We'll be back in the upper 90s for the weekend with lots of sunshine. Meanwhile, the Wasatch Front, showers and thunderstorms likely for your Tuesday and Wednesday with highs in the low 80s. We'll start to dry things out as we get towards the end of the week with those highs in the upper 80s with lots of sunshine for the weekend. All right, let's get a check on the traffic out there this morning as you get ready to make your way out on your morning commute. Here we go. University Avenue looking dry right now. And you can see we've got some traffic out there on this Tuesday morning. It's still early, but folks are waking up and getting at it out here at Mill Creek. You can see also we've got some fairly calm conditions out there on the roadways as we kick off our morning. Of course, we'll keep an eye on this for you and have more updates on your traffic and weather coming up in just a few moments.